Manufacturing today is moving fast, which means you need to adapt even faster. Graybar Industrial Solutions delivers technical know-how and advanced effective innovations for smarter, more efficient manufacturing. Graybar works with you to help you create scalable solutions for your business that can integrate seamlessly into your existing operations and provide flexibility to expand or modify as needed. Automation, MRO, or safety solutions. Graybar has the expertise in logistics and the products from top manufacturers to help you keep your machines running and your company growing. The future is moving fast. Get a trusted team that does too. Graybar Industrial Solutions. We keep you moving.